From the tranquility of the UK's oldest botanical garden to stunning museum interiors and quiet viewpoints, this is a relaxed day in Oxford.
We're at Oxford's Botanical Garden. It is very warm and steamy in here. Absolutely gorgeous. All these beautiful natural colours make you feel very good. Oh wow, look at those oranges. Oh, there's fish in here. Ah. Oh, fishies. It's like they've come to say hello. Oh. Oh wow. All these natural colours make you feel so calm and so content. This is like a big nature hug. I like these, very cute. So I'm curious about the Venus flytraps, whether they have to feed them or whether they just get the flies from here. Smoke on the water. This purple pink on these leaves is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I don't know if that is a leaf or a flower. Purple and green is my two favourite colour combinations. The majesty of Oxford Botanical Garden. Wow. Now this is definitely worth the 99-step climb. The dreaming spires of Oxford. Oxford. Let's take a peek around the Ashmolean Museum. Headless statues. We do like a good bust. Don't worry, he's armless. Ashmolean is full of ancient wonders and artifacts. It's definitely the most beautiful snakes and ladders board I've ever seen. Those intricate little playing pieces. As wild as it is to think that some of Oxford's buildings are like 900 years old, some of the exhibits here in the Ashmolean Museum are more than 10,000 years old. Some of the exhibitions at the Natural History Museum are more like 300 million years old. This is one of my favourite interiors of Oxford, the Natural Science Museum. And who doesn't love a T-Rex? What beautiful interiors. I just think this building with its arches is just delicious.
Your favourite extinct bird?
Triceratops. The Pitt Rivers Museum is absolutely packed to the brim of artefacts. Thank you so much for joining me on this jaunt around Oxford. I hope you have had a lovely time looking at all the incredible sites, the architecture, the museums, the Botanical Garden. It has been incredible. I would love for you to join me on another adventure, but bye-bye for now. Nick's out. The Pitt Rivers Museum is absolutely packed to the brim of anthropological